Hello again, Matt Brandenberger here to show you how to set up your email on your iPad. I'll also show you how to add a web clip on it as well. Follow these simple instructions and you'll be all set to go. If you do get stuck, just pause the video or rewind it and you can get caught up pretty easily. The first thing that you're going to want to do is make sure that you are connected to the internet. And to verify that you are connected, look in the top left-hand corner and you should see the Wi-Fi icon next to iPad. If you can see the icon, then you have internet access. If you can't see the icon, then you'll need to view the other tutorial video that shows you how to get internet access, and you can get set up with the FWCS access network. After you've verified that you do have internet access, let's click on the settings icon on the main screen. Next, you're going to click on Mail, Contacts, and Calendars. That's located about halfway down towards the bottom. Has a little mail icon. Once you click on that, on the right side, you'll see Accounts at the top, and we want to click on that where it says Add Account. Then go ahead and click on the Microsoft Exchange, the second one down, and it's going to ask you to enter in your email address. Go ahead and enter in your FWCS email address, mine being matt.brandenberger@fwcs.k12.in.us. Then enter in your password. I'll keep mine hidden. Make sure your password is always private for you to know only. And then the description, I'm going to change this to FWCS email. You can choose whatever you want there. That defaults to Exchange, that's fine. I'm just going to name it something unique because I have a couple email accounts set up on my iPad, so this just keeps it different from my Gmail account. Then you're going to click the next button. It will auto-populate a lot of the fields here, but it's going to ask for the server. For the server, go ahead and put in webmail.fwcs.k12.in.us. Then click on the domain field, and you're going to want to put in FWCS in lowercase. Very important that it's in lowercase there. And then your username. Mine is BranMJ01. Yours would be the first four of your last name, your first and middle initials, followed by generally 01 or maybe 02. It already has my password in there, so I don't have to reset that again. And then I'm going to hit Next. And did you see the check marks that came up there that says that everything checked out fine? And it takes you to this to sync your mail, contacts, calendars, and reminders. Those are already set to on. And I'll go ahead and click Save. It will add the account and then take me back out. And now underneath Accounts, you can see that I do have my FWCS email in there. Okay, now that your email is set up, go ahead and click the Home button to get out of Settings. Immediately it's going to ask you for a passcode. You're going to want to click Continue. Once you do that, just enter in a 4-digit code, something that's simple enough for you to remember, but not too simple that somebody could just pick it up and figure it out. Just a 4-digit code works best there. Once you've done that, every time you get into your iPad, I'll just show you real quick. If I turn it off and click on it again, it's going to ask me for that code. If I put in the code, it will let me back in. What we're going to do now is create a web clip. It's simply a shortcut on your iPad that takes you directly to a website. What I'd like you to do is first click on Safari, which is located down on the dock at the bottom of the screen, and then it will pull up your browser. In the address bar at the very top, go ahead and type in FWCSELEMTECH Weebly, weebly.com, and hit go. Once you do that, it will take you to a web page that Valerie and I have been working on setting up that we're hoping will be a very valuable tool for you moving forward as you use the iPad and use technology throughout FWCS in the classrooms. What I want you to do, though, is we're going to make this a web link. So at the very top, the little rectangle with the arrow coming out of it, click on that and it'll give you several choices. But what we want to do is add to home screen. So we're going to click on that, and it defaults calling it the official. Let's call it ELEM for Elementary Technology, TECH. And if we hit add, then what it will do is it will put it on our home page. Now again, we could move it around if we want to put it on the first page, or if we want to put it down in the dock. But now if you click on that, it'll bring up that web page no matter where you're at. So that's how you create a web clip. You could do that with other websites that you go to quite a bit as well. Clicking the home button and going back out. One other thing I want to show you, just a bonus, if you ever cannot find an app or something on your iPad, you can scroll all the way to the left, and this is the search feature. If I couldn't find my settings button, for instance, I can just start typing in settings, and up pops settings, and it will bring that app up for you. Alright, I hope this was helpful getting your email set up, also showing you how to do a web clip. As always, you can always contact Valerie or me by sending us an email or giving us a phone call. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.